Hello, my name is Ziwi Zhang, and I'll be giving a small presentation today on kinetic and potential energy. To begin, what is kinetic energy? Well, kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Anything that is moving will have kinetic energy. For example, if I take this ball and I throw it, it will have kinetic energy as it moves through the air. You can see many other examples of kinetic energy in our everyday lives, such as cars driving down the road, or just by walking, you have kinetic energy as you walk. The other form of energy is called potential energy, and potential energy can be thought of as stored energy. Potential energy can be much harder to visualize compared to kinetic energy, as you are unable to directly observe the energy. An example of potential energy is, let's say, a ball hanging off a table. While the ball is on the table, it has no kinetic energy as it is not moving. However, it has potential energy based on how far it is off the ground. If the ball happens to roll off the table, the potential energy will actually become kinetic energy as it falls. The equation for potential energy is mass times gravity times height for gravitational potential energy. So for something that is higher off the ground, like a higher table, it will have more potential energy than something that is on a lower platform. Potential energy and kinetic energy is completely transferable. With the ball rolling off the table, all the potential energy in the ball will become kinetic energy as it hits the ground. One example that shows the transference of kinetic energy and potential energy is throwing a ball up into the air straight up. So at the very bottom, when I first initially throw the ball, it will have the most kinetic energy as it is moving the fastest speed. However, as we see a ball go through the air, it will slow down until it stops moving at the very peak. This is when there is no kinetic energy as the ball is now moving, but will have the most potential energy as it is the highest off the ground. As the ball is falling down then, the potential energy of the ball becomes kinetic energy again as the ball speeds up through the air towards the ground. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.